moving towards the packet switching, the network core. This is very important. Let's go through this. Here you can see, as per the diagrams, there are some networks, global ISP and local ISP. These all are the routers has been connected. So here I want to show you that what is the meaning of your network core. This is a mesh of your interconnected routers. Here you can see all the routers has been connected with each other, and this is in the connection, the topology is your mesh topology. Here it provides the packet switching. How to know that it is providing packet switching or circuit switching? We have many variety of switching. Now let's discuss about the packet switching. Host break application layer message into packets. Packet switching, how we will come to know that? It is going to act in your application layer where the message has to send in terms of your packets. We will come to know that this network is providing your packet switching network. What is the work of this network? How it is going to work? Here the network forwards the packets from one router to another router. Across this link, it is going to propagate all the values from one router to another router through this wired or guided media. Here the wired links you can see through that. So whenever the packets will move from one router to another router, that is known as your packet switching. Here one router to another router, in other way I can say as your source to destination or sender to receiver, or from one host to another host. And you can see the this red line is there. This is the oval. Inside this, whatever routers has been connected, this is under your national ISP, and here it is on your local ISP. That's the reason my heading is now called as your network core. From one network core, I can send a message to my other network core. And if you want to send the message inside one network, you can send a message, or else you can provide the message from one network core to another network core. That's the reason, as it is working under your application layer, we are calling it as your packet switching. Going to the next one, the two key functions are available. What all are that two key network core functions? Here you can see there are many algorithms are present here. As you can see, how we are going to send the because we have heard about the sending the message from one place to another place. Now we are going to forward the message. How we are going to utilize this switching word? How we are going to use this one? Here you can see we have some routing algorithms. What is this routing algorithms? Here you can see this. This is a global action. First thing is the routing algorithms is going to work globally on the network. The routing algorithm is going to work globally on the network. That's the reason the action is named as your global actions. What it will do? It is going to determine the source and destination paths taken by the packets. It is this routing algorithm will decide where if any packets has been received, in which path it is going to forward. That is a decision will be taken by this routing algorithm. Generally, this routing algorithm will it will concentrate on the shortest path algorithm. So it will find out automatically in which route the packets can reach very fast without the loss of packet in the destination route. That things is a job of your routing algorithm. That's the reason this is known as your routing algorithm global actions. Now what is your local actions we are going to do? See here in this routing algorithm, we have one table. Okay. So this is local forwarding table. Some values has been given here and some output link also has been given here. What it is going to do is it has to move in this way. Okay, first 1, then 2, then 3, it has to move in this way. Now how we are going to find out the destinations from here? See, first we will see this paragraph, how the local actions are going to take place. It will move arriving packets from router's input, then it will link to the appropriate router output link. First, whatever the values we will send, suppose you just consider about this router now. So whatever the values I will give in this side, this is the input to this router. Now whatever it will come out, there are three ways, 1, 2 and 3. There are three ways. It is the output link to the router. Now if I will consider for this one, if this is the output link of the first router, but it is the input link of your this router, right? So here similarly, if I am going through this is the output link of your router, or this is the input link of this router. Similarly for third one, this side it is the output link of your this router, and this is the input link of your this router. So now there will be, now this router has to decide in which link it is going to send. So what is the local actions will be taken care? The local actions will be whatever the values has been given here, it is going to forward to which link it is going to decide by using the routing algorithms. Now what happened? Now suppose now the message has been passed through this. Now this router is going to decide through which I'm going to send the message, and the routing algorithm has got the answer that after applying the algorithm methods or techniques, it found that the red color line whatever you are seeing, it got that this is the shortest path of uh, sending the message. It means that let's take it as your destination path is this. Now it is going to find out the shortest path, and it found that this is the way of shortest path. Okay, so in this way the routing algorithm is going to work out. Okay, so here I will stop my these two network core things. We will discuss it in the next